Hi guys, Christian here from Old Trailer and Caravan Repair Centre. Now I want to talk to you today about the ID of a caravan and trailer. Now the ID, or VIN number, as most people would know it, is a 17-digit number which is displayed on the compliance plate and also stamped into the chassis of a trailer or caravan. Now, it's got me concerned recently. There's been a large number of trailers being brought to me that doesn't have a compliance plate or VIN number on it. And these days, the RMS are making it a lot more difficult to get a homemade VIN number supplied to those trailers and caravans than what it used to be. Now, if you want to get a homemade trailer identified, if you want to get a number on that trailer or that caravan, if you built it yourself, you need to have receipts. You need to bring those receipts to me or to a blue slip station to prove that yes, it is a homemade trailer. If you've just bought a trailer and the person you bought it off has said, oh no, it was once registered, but I don't have any documents for it, think twice about buying it. Go over that trailer with a fine-tooth comb before purchasing it, because 9 times out of 10 you're going to bring it to me and I'm going to say, as hard as I'm going to work for you to try and get you a VIN number, I physically can't do it. What you need to look for is any numbers that may be on the chassis of a caravan or trailer, or the compliance plate, where if it's on a trailer, it will be on the drawbar or A-frame. If it's in a if it's in a or on a caravan, I should say, it'll either be on the A-frame, in the front boot of that caravan, or just inside the side entrance door of the caravan. So make sure you do your research, make sure you get the appropriate paperwork before you purchase your next trailer or caravan, because it may be money that you spend but you may not be able to do anything with.